This is the end. ऐसा लग रहा है ट्रेन के नीचे आ जाएंगे. Anyway, आप लोग एंजॉय करो. Hey, Oki brother.
Hey.
Say hello to
Hello.
my friends, not
Okay.
fans. They are all are my like impressions, idols.
Terminal station is Maeklong station.
The train is comes from there, right?
For 11:10 come from the 11:10 come from there
Okay.
to another terminal station over there. And after that at 11:30 we reach the station.
तब तक जब तक ट्रेन नहीं आती तब तक मार्केट देखो. मैं मार्केट दिखाता हूँ. ठीक है.
Food like fresh meat, fresh fruit, vegetable like that. But then when more and more tourists come to this market, the price cannot exceed. That's why you don't. And the 23,
11 बजे आएगी. 11:10 पे आएगी ट्रेन. वो भी उस तरफ से आएगी वहाँ से.
about 10 years ago, Thai people, some people like went to Europe. And the train station is here first. Then the market start later. However, at the beginning, market is like in this area.
Okay.
And after that, more and more sellers
When
come to
train,
sell.
I saw the video. When train is comes, they will.
Yeah, they remove everything out. Yeah.
Okay.
So like more and more sellers come to sell in the market
come
until finally they have to sell in the rail area.
It's come after 20 or 30 minutes.
It come at 11:10, which is like about half an hour.
Half an hour. Okay.
This fruit?
Fish ball.
This
Fish ball. Fish cake.
Okay.
They have to fry it first before they eat.
Coconut จ้า
They have to use
20 บาทจ้า
the meat out.
ยาวมาจ้าเดียนปิ้งจ้า
But this one is the fresh.
20 บาทจ้าอ้อสื่อจ้าเดียนปิ้งจ้าเอาจ้าเดียน
11:30, it will go back to another terminal station.
Maeklong
Maeklong
station.
Maeklong also the name of this city.
This city?
Yeah, Maeklong city.
Okay.
They name after the river over there. Maeklong River. For the train, the whole line roughly about 100 kilometers. And it take about 1 hour.
सब ट्रेन का वेट कर रहे हैं। आने वाली है वो बस। हेलो ओके। क्या वेट। ये ट्रेन आ चुकी है ओवरव्यू है और ये सब बड़े बड़े फोटो सब फोटो दिख रहा है।
ขณะนี้ได้เวลาขบวนรถออกจากสถานีโปรดใช้ความระมัดระวังอันตรายที่อาจจะเกิดขึ้นจากขบวนรถด้วยค่ะขบวนรถจะหยุดรับส่งผู้โดยสารใต้อยู่รถลาดใหญ่เขตเมืองตลอดจนปลายทางสถานีบ้านแหลมค่ะแต่งไทยอ่ะ